In today's video, I'm going to teach you accessing the shell in Replit in 2025. The shell is your project's command line home base inside Replit. It lets you run commands, manage files, and interact directly with your project's environment without leaving the browser. If you've used a terminal on your computer before, this will feel familiar. If not, don't worry, I'll guide you through it in a simple, clear way. First, open your RePL, head to the Replit project where you want to work, and make sure the workspace has fully loaded. You should see your files, your editor, and the standard interface you're used to. Next, look to the left side of the workspace for the Tools dock. This is the vertical panel that houses helpful utilities you can open alongside your editor. If your window is narrow, the dock may appear as compact icons. That's normal, and you can hover or click to reveal labels. Now click on All Tools. This expands the full catalog of workspace tools available to you. It's a quick way to find anything that isn't already pinned in your sidebar. From that expanded list, choose Shell. As soon as you select it, the Shell panel opens right inside your Replit workspace. You'll see a command prompt where you can type and execute commands just like you would in a local terminal. Once the shell is open, you can start working immediately. For example, you can navigate your project's folders, inspect files, run scripts, and interact with package managers or other command line tools your project needs. You can use standard keyboard shortcuts like the up and down arrows to scroll through your recent commands, and press Enter to run a command. If you start a long-running task and need to stop it, use the usual interrupt keys to cancel the process. You can also clear your view to keep things tidy if your session gets crowded. If the panel feels cramped, resize it by dragging its edge so you have more room to read output. Keeping the shell visible while you code makes it easy to switch between editing and running commands without losing context. That's all there is to it. Open your REPL, find the Tools dock on the left, click All Tools, and select Shell. With the Shell panel open, you have a powerful browser-based terminal at your fingertips, ready to help you execute commands, manage files, and control your project's environment efficiently.